Another one, guys. Turn that energy up. Turn that energy up. This is that beginning of the month energy. Yeah. So today, as always, you know where we going. Gotta go to AutoZone first. We took Rose out after the maintenance. So we got her out in the streets. And yeah, she's running good. She's running good. Feels a lot more responsive. Like I said, I tightened that power steering hose on the bottom, tighten that up, and got that going. And yeah, everything's looking good though. Now she just needs some gas, and she need to go see a man Detailed by Skinny. Let's see you, my boy. But anyway, we're going AutoZone. I gotta return some gaskets and shit that I didn't need, and yeah, let's get it. All right, good girl outside. Yeah. So now you know what time it is, Dunkin' time. All right, and just like that, we back at the lab. So drove her around, went to get coffee, everything's so down here. Remember that if you didn't watch your last video, go check that out. There's a hose, the air hose. It's just air goes through it, nothing else. But it was kind of crumbly, so I just took painter's tape, right? And then I put electrical tape over it just to give it more of an aesthetic. But yeah, guys, everything's cool. Everything's running good. Just gotta top off the coolant, but that's normal when you're doing maintenance like this. You always want to test drive your vehicle after you do it, make sure everything's running good before we give it back to Queen, right? Shout out to her, shout out to Skinny, shout out to the whole built fam. Liking this kind of video, leave a comment, you know what I'm saying? It's okay. It's okay. We don't bite. Built fam, we love you, okay? Let's get it. But yeah, anyway, weird. But anyway, we still got to do that O2 sensor. That O2 sensor that's missing. We're gonna put that in. We're not gonna do that today. But today, what we are doing is the check valve, which is located right back there. Right back there. Zoom in. I got the cover on. It's right back there, but let's get this cover off so I can show y'all better. See, the thing about us old guys is find a way to make stuff work, man. And that's the reason for this channel. Just trying to find a way to make things work. Because a lot of the times, guys, honestly, in life, the road is never easy. You know what I'm saying? There's always twists and turns. There's roadblocks, there's potholes, there's bumps. But it's the same as driving and walking and living life. You have to just navigate through all of that, and you know what I'm saying, and find that destination where you going. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, little old school little tip for anybody who might want to spice up their ride on a budget, because that's how we vibing. So let's add a little color to this. So this is the color that's going on the brakes. You can see it got metallic flakes in it, and we're just gonna throw some bolts and just test it out. Now these are for the cover, for the engine cover, so it's all good. But yeah. In the sun. Yeah, so that's just a little sneak peek of the calipers. But like I said, we're gonna be turning it up. We're gonna up the quality. I really want to go and I think I might get a GoPro or something, because I want to up the quality and step it up. Like you always got to go harder in life. So I think I'm gonna go get me like a GoPro or something, and get some content with that, just to add it to the vlog, just spice it up a little bit, get it going. But yeah, so let's get to work. Hit it with the light. Metallics. The metallics hit. Okay, so that's a closer look at it. Closer look at it. Right there, you see there's 2 hoses, 2 clamps, and 1 plug right there. So in order to get to that, gotta remove this throttle cable out the way. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward job. I mean, I'm not doing too much today. I might clean this throttle, take this throttle body off and clean it because it looks kind of scuzzed out. But I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. Let me have my coffee and then I'll think about these things. Yeah. Okay, first, get a 10. Get a 10. Here's a partner on my Amazon. Got the 10. Disconnect your electrical connection. All right, so just like that, we got that disconnected, and you know, let's see. And I'll get into it's the 10 back here, 10 mil. There's a ground on here, so just make sure you put that ground back. Might cause some issues if you don't. All right, so we don't really got to take that out. I think we could just get to it straight from here. All right, let's get a couple of clamps. So there's a plug here. So if you're gonna clean that connection out, there's another plug here. Another plug there. All right, and get a little clamp, get a light so we can see. Okay, so changing is that valve right there. That valve. All right, so the new part right here. Got the new part right here, so let's just match it up. And we got it. Okay, so clamps are always a pain. Let me get my light. Let me get my light. All right, now I can see. It's in a weird spot. So a little space right here. You can get your hands in. Thanks, Hyundai. Or Hyundai. Guys, how you pronounce that? Leave it in the comments. Hyundai, Hyundai. I heard different ways of it being said. Leave it in the comments. Get a screwdriver, get that off. is upside down, so that's exciting. Let's oh boy, that's gonna be a doozy. Let's see if I get that bracket. Get it off the bracket. Turn it. Okay. Turned it. Got big hands, hard to get in these places, but we make it work. We make it work. Hey, the clip was turned upside down. No, got it. So I just had to turn it to get it in there. Okay, put the clip like this, slide it off. Poke yourself in the finger once or twice or a million times. It's a little barb to fit in. Alright, got it off. Now, Doug, what bolt is holding on the bracket, Doug? Speak to me. 1, 2, it's 2 10s. I found it, Doug. Thank you. Yeah. Volkswagen guy, right? As most of us are. Carl Blood. In the days of Waterfest, of Euro Tuner, and all of that kind of good stuff. And I mean, as you get older, you know, you start to think, you know, about life and stuff, and you kind of forget that, you know, to have fun, because life takes you so many, you know, places. But the main thing you got to remember is that once you have a passion for something, like a passion for cars or whatever it is that you do, once you have that, focus on it. Don't ignore it, you know? But, yeah, guys. What am I looking for? All right, just like that, got the bracket off and got it out. So you just have to swap this over to the new one. You know me, I'm sand this thing down and hit it with a coat of paint, because this is unacceptable. So, put it in there. Hoses, really cool. Now, I saw in a couple of videos, a couple guys were saying that this pigtail had to be replaced right here, because the plugs were different. But I don't know. It seemed to me they must have rectified the situation since those videos were made. All right, so let's get this thing cleaned up. All right, so we got the new one all ready for installation, and installation is the reverse of removal. So yeah, I think we're done here. Purr like a cat, purr like meow, like cat. Well, it runs. It runs. It runs. It runs. Take a full drop. Next up is the oxygen sensors. Let's see what it's reading. Yeah, but that's next up. Alright, so now true test is we're gonna go put gas in this thing and see if we fix the problem. So take it at a gas station. Throw $10-15 at her. 87, because you know this is what you call a low maintenance vehicle. You know, it doesn't require, you know, better gas. I mean, we're gonna put a tank through it with some fuel treatment and clean the filter. I know the airbag light is on. We're gonna change the tranny fluid in it. Truth. Is it gonna start? Is it gonna work? Moment of truth. Is it gonna work? Let's see. Okay guys, just like that, she's all done. So you know, like I said, it's just the beginning, but you know how we do. Big built business stuff. You know how we do. Trying to get the cameras in focus, and yeah, but we're gonna sign. Stay tuned for the next video to see if it started or not. Like, comment, subscribe. Check it out on this one. As always, guys, peace, love.